Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we have a new tool in Adobe Illustrator. This tool is very important for web page designer especially. I'm talking about slice tool. So let's start. This tool is used for separating your artboard. For example, I will draw or write anything like this text, crease like this. And now I want to make a slice here, so I will choose slice tool and I will make an rectangle like this. Now I make an slice here. So if I click on file menu and choose export save for web, now I have 1 2 3 4 5 slices and I can save all of them for different extension like this. From here I can choose JPG or PNG or GIF like this for only one slice. Now I have this simple web page and I wanted to make a slice for this button and this type and these buttons. So I will choose slice tool and make an rectangle like this here and another one here and here and again one here like this, and I can save all of them in mini extension. The second tool today is slice selection tool. This tool is used for resize the slice like this. I can resize it. And now I can save it for web and I can choose any extension for all slice. That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.